Hi, this is Aidan here, student number G00365056. This is my assignment 1, decision making with LEDs. So in this assignment we were asked to design a circuit that had a variable that increased by 1 every second, and on every multiple of 4 of the count. So every 4 seconds the blue LED turned on and the red LED stayed off, and there was an alert to notify which LED was active. On every multiple of 10 the red LED turned on and the blue LED turned off, and again there was an alert to notify which LED was on. But on multiples of both 4 and 10, i.e. 20, the blue and red LED turned on, stayed on for 2 seconds, and then the count was to return back to 0 and start again. So here's it in action. Let's clear that and we'll start up the simulation. As you can see, the blue light is turned on, the notification, blue again, and 10 in the red turned on, blue again, and just see now both LEDs will turn on and turn off, and the count returns back to 1. So that's it in action, showing that it works. Now you can see here I had a very simple setup. It was just the int sum is equal to 0 is all I had before the setup, and then in the setup it was very simple, just the 2 pins that I'd be using, pin 11 and pin 7, and then obviously my ground, and then just the speed at which it would be operating. And then in the loop then I have just sum is equal to sum plus 1, the delay and the print, serial print sum. Then the first if statement is concerning the where the multiple is both of 4 and 10. So that was the biggest one, and I noticed when I did it the other way around and had this as the last else if statement that the if multiple of 4 took over, and this one didn't work at all, so I swapped it around and made it work that way. I'm aware that there's a way to stop it counting once it gets to 20 and have it revert that way, but I couldn't quite figure that out, so I just put in sum is equal to 0 at the bottom here so that it would turn around once it got to 20. So as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3 if statements. Well, there's an if, an else if, and then else, and then that's it really. So yeah, that's mine. Okay.